Earth has over 10 different ways to ruin your day, and today we're speedrunning all of them. The whole chaotic buffet Mother Nature offers. Earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanoes, hurricanes, basically everything nature throws at us when she's in a bad mood. Earthquakes. Earthquakes, the Earth's way of cracking its knuckles, loudly. At first, it's tiny vibrations, like your phone on silent. Then suddenly, boom! The whole ground decides to do the Macarena. Fun fact, earthquakes can make cows stop producing milk. Mother Nature 1, cows 0. Volcanoes. Volcanoes are mountains that store lava, basically giant natural pressure cookers. They erupt when magma says, "I've had enough of this underground lifestyle," and launches into the air like a friend that failed therapy. If you ever see glowing red lava, don't touch it. I know it looks like pizza cheese, but it will destroy you. Fun fact, lava can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, which is faster than Usain Bolt, but not recommended for races. Tornadoes. A tornado forms when warm air and cold air meet and say, "Let's dance." But it's not a slow dance, it's a Beyblade. Tornadoes can fling cows, cars, and occasionally your dignity. Safety tip. Best strategy? Don't be outside. If you are, congratulations, you're in the world's least fun roller coaster. Fun facts. The fastest wind speed ever recorded in a tornado was over 300 miles per hour. Tornadoes can pick up cars, trees, and once, even a house that traveled over a mile. Hurricanes. Hurricanes form over warm water when the atmosphere decides to create a spinning monster fueled by ocean steam. They have names like Karen or Bob, which sounds friendly until they destroy your house. If you ever see a hurricane named Mildred shows up, evacuate immediately. Anyone named Mildred is unstoppable. Fun facts. A hurricane releases as much energy as 10 nuclear bombs per second. The eye of a hurricane can be so calm that people have reported blue skies right in the middle of chaos. Tsunamis. Tsunamis are huge waves usually caused by underwater earthquakes. It's like the ocean gets slapped and decides to slap back. If your beach water suddenly disappears like it went to buy milk, run. Fun fact, tsunamis can travel at 500 miles per hour in deep water. So if you see one, don't try to race it. You will lose. The tallest tsunami ever recorded was over 1,700 feet tall in Alaska, 1958. That's taller than the Empire State Building. Floods. Floods happen from heavy rain, broken dams, or rivers that wake up and choose violence. People say, "It's only water." Yeah, tell that to your sofa as it floats away like a sad pirate ship. Fun facts. Just 6 inches of fast-moving water can knock over an adult. So yes, water is stronger than your gym routine. Wildfires. Wildfires start from lightning, heat, or someone who failed kindergarten fire safety. These fires spread fast, like someone whispered a rumor in high school. Tip: if you smell smoke in a forest, leave. Don't investigate. You're not Scooby-Doo. Some pine cones require fire to open and spread seeds. Nature really said, burn it all, then bloom. A wildfire can create its own weather, including fire tornadoes. Yes, those exist. The largest wildfire in history burned an area larger than South Korea. Droughts. A drought is when an area doesn't get enough rain. Grass dies, plants cry, and everyone suddenly becomes very interested in saving water. I cannot joke about this, but here are some facts. Some desert plants can survive years without rain, storing water like living water bottles. Droughts can make the ground crack so much it looks like a giant chocolate bar. Avalanches. Avalanches are when a giant mass of snow slides down a mountain. It starts small, then boom, winter decides to attack you all at once. If you hear a loud crack on a snowy mountain, that's not Santa. Leave. Fun facts. Avalanches can reach speeds of 80 miles per hour in just 5 seconds. Basically snow doing a NASCAR impression. A powder avalanche can contain so much air that it behaves like a fluffy white cloud of doom. Cozy looking, not cozy. Some avalanches are so powerful they can create a shockwave ahead of the snow and knock you down before the snow even reaches you. Climate change. Not exactly a single disaster. It's the reason disasters are getting worse. Climate change is like your computer overheating, except the computer is Earth, and we can't buy a new one. Fun facts. The last decade was the hottest ever recorded, so congratulations, we all unlocked the extra crispy difficulty level. Cows produce methane, which is a powerful greenhouse gas. Yes, cow burps and farts are literally contributing to climate change. Nature has a wild sense of humor.